If you want to learn about the WHOLEV single arm monitor desk mount and how to set it up, then watch this video. Hi, Gary Cruz with GaryCruz.com here, and today I'll be reviewing this WHOLEV single arm monitor desk mount. Here are the instructions. They're pretty straightforward. If you ever put furniture together, maybe like IKEA, then you can definitely put this together. Here's some additional instructions. It's like the part list, it looks like, and it kind of shows you how to mount it to your desk. All right, let's continue to unbox the contents. This looks like the clamp. There's cable routing, some more cable routing, and the hardware, and then the other part of the clamp. And here's the pole. It's got 3 nuts that you can bolt in there. And then here's the arm. I found that most of these poles are the same size, so the parts are interchangeable. The first thing you want to do is attach the pole to the mount. So we've got 3 screws here. Just make sure you're using the right size screws, and it comes with the appropriate tools to lock this down. Next, you want to go ahead and assemble the clamp. So this goes on the inside of the clamp like this, and there's 2 bolts that come with it that you can adjust accordingly with the associated Allen wrench. And I went ahead and tested it against my desk. Next, I attached the VESA mount with the included screws. And then make sure you put on the cable routing in advance. I forgot to do that, so I kind of put it out of order. And then you can go ahead and attach the arm to the pole. So loosen it up and adjust it to the height that you want. I'm just eyeballing it right now. And get it tight enough so it doesn't fall when you put on a monitor. You can also adjust the tension for the other arms to adjust the angle. Now all you have to do is just basically mount that right onto the arm like that. And the one thing that I found is that the included screw didn't fit on there, but it's still pretty secure. All right, now I'm just kind of adjusting the angle here, and then that's when I realized I forgot to add that. So I took everything apart and put that back on because you can't snap it over. All right, so then I attached the plastic cable routes. They just snap on just like that. Now I'm just haphazardly routing the cable just so I can plug in the monitor. I'll be doing a separate review of this monitor by WHOLEV. And then just showing how you can route the HDMI cable with the included mounts. Once you route your cables, adjust your angle of the monitor and then plug everything in. And then once you get that adjusted, also adjust the height so that it's ergonomic to you. And with the built-in software on this computer, I went to displays to adjust the height by using the arrangement tab here so that when I drag windows back and forth, they will be aligned. So you can see it's not aligned there. Go back to an arrangement, drag that down a little bit to match. And then once I drag that across, I get it close enough so that the mouse can drag between windows. Now that I tried a small monitor, I tried a 27-inch Dell monitor. I think the previous monitor was 13 inches or 10 inches. I'll put it in the description. And I used the existing bolts that came with the Dell, and then I used the mount that came with the arm, and I just put it right on there. And here it is on the desk. It works out pretty well. Alexa, turn off Beverly's desk.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on Beverly's desk.
Okay.
If this review was helpful to you, be sure to hit that like button on the way out and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.